In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Heavenly Bodies multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to do local co-op natively on Heavenly Bodies. Keep in mind that multiplayer is only available natively through local co-op. There is no option to do online, so keep that in mind. If you want to do online, you will have to explore alternatives, which I'm not going to go over in too much detail on this video, but it would refer to remote play if you are doing this process on PC through Steam, or share play if you are on a PlayStation console. Regardless, all that you have to do to play Heavenly Bodies multiplayer is to boot up the game and choose any of the available save files that you have. So go to Start, choose one of the available save slots, and you will be able to choose between single player or local co-op. Local co-op refers to multiplayer. Immediately upon going here, you will have to assign one controller to player 1, which should be the default controller that you already have connected, and then a new controller to player 2. Once they press the specific button on the additional controller and you guys change the movement style, you will be able to initiate the game and play together. So it's as simple as connecting an additional controller to any platform, choosing local co-op, and then pressing a specific button on that additional controller. Customize the movement style and immediately the game will start. So you'll see the cutscenes, you can go to the game, and you will be able to play together. You will get instructions, and like I said in the beginning of the video, it is unfortunate that they don't give us the option to play over online natively, so you will have to explore alternatives. But as long as you look into remote play if you are playing on PC through Steam, or if you look through something like SharePlay if you are playing on a PlayStation console, you will be able to get this set up without too much hassle. It is very simple, and as long as you have the additional controller properly set up, or you set up remote play or SharePlay, you will be good to go to play Heavenly Bodies multiplayer. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Heavenly Bodies multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.